Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Consensus AI. And if you are looking for the AI that will help you to do some research, so this Consensus AI is for you guys. So without any further ado, and let's get into the video. So what will Consensus AI offer you? Well, here this Consensus AI will help you to create the literature review only in minutes. And after that, it will also give you the comprehensive literature search. And after that, it will also help you to custom AI generated reports. And after that, it will also provide you more than 23 fields of study and also give you the evidence-backed answer. So you can simply searching for this Consensus AI from your Google Chrome, and here I prefer to open it in my PC to get more spacious view. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, this will be the homepage of this Consensus AI. You can start to ask your question or prompt over here. And you can also see the home over here and also the research hub and also give your uploaded paper, or you can also, or it means that you can try to upload your paper and do the research with this Consensus AI. And for example, guys, I have tried this Consensus AI to searching for about something. For example, I was asking about this question: is mental health caused from social media? So after waiting for maybe 1 minute, and this is the answer. Isn't that interesting, right? Because this Consensus AI also give you like the bar diagram like this that says that the answer is 50% yes, 20% possible, and also the mixed answer from yes and no, and also the no no answer will be 6%. And also it will also give you the association versus the causation and also the explanation. And even if you would like to see the citation, for example, this 15 means the source of this research, and also the writers or author of this journal, and also the journal title itself, and also the year. And you can continue to scroll down and also give you the key claims and evidence, and also the table like this. The claim about the, it's like the problematic use is linked to depression or anxiety or stress, and the evidence is also give you the graphic over here and the reasoning and also the paper. Let's see. If I would like to visit the paper that agree with this claim, so you can simply direct your cursor into this section, and this will be the paper that related to my previous question, and also the conclusion, and also the related link or deep search over here. And also you can download this results of the paper that also agree or support these conclusions. So isn't that complete, right, about the answer of this consensus AI? And you can also start off the conversation, and you can also choose this model from Quick. You can do the fast search and the summary of 10 paper. And also if you would like to go to the Pro, you will have 24 left of chance to do the smart search and also the analysis of 20 paper. And if you would like to do the deep research, you can also do the literature review up to 50 papers. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this consensus AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.